Friday, November 5th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Wanted to start off with a nice shot from the Cataloochee Ski Resort area this morning, and notice the snow guns are on. And not only are the snow guns firing, but there's going to be some natural snow up in the mountains today and tonight. More on that in just a second. Let's start off with temperatures here across the United States, and there's our next push of colder air. That's continuing to dive south and eastward. And this is going to be the coldest air mass so far this year. You have much of Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and even into the foothills in western Piedmont and southern Piedmont of North Carolina under freeze warnings and freeze watches, depending on where you are. That'd be valid for Saturday morning primarily. And up in the mountains, the mountain counties, the white counties there, that is a winter weather advisory. And even though it's not painted on this graphic, the mountains north and west of Asheville under a winter storm warning today into Saturday morning. There's the broad view of the radar. Messy system leaving the New England states. Of greater interest for our region is this activity here in eastern Kentucky. That is with the disturbance. It'll plunge southeastward, and that's going to really kick the upslope snow into gear up in the North Carolina mountains. Those favored northwest-facing slopes, sort of a widespread 2 to 4 inch type snow, and especially in the elevations above about 3,500 feet, there could be some localized amounts over 6 inches of snow when you total it all up today into tomorrow. Now, as that disturbance gets overhead in the Piedmont late today and this afternoon, there'll be a quick hitting chance of a few showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder, and I still think there might be 1 or 2 sleet pellets mixed in a couple of spots. That'll be in and out late this afternoon and this evening, though. Here's the upper air chart. Huge trough diving into the eastern part of the United States, and by the time we get into Saturday evening, that upper low closing off over New York and Pennsylvania. Pretty cold look here for the weekend in our part of the country. But notice what happens by Tuesday. This is Tuesday early in the afternoon. Nice ridge over the southeast. So if you want some warmer temperatures, that is on tap next week. But nothing warm about this weekend. Today's going to be a blustery day. And highs in the mid to at most upper 50s in the Piedmont. And again, there'll be the chance for a quick hitting shower or two to move through late today. Tonight, we'll see lows low to mid 30s. If you don't get below freezing in your backyard tonight, you will Saturday night into Sunday morning. As far as Saturday itself, pretty good amount of sunshine, but it's going to be a struggle to even hit 50 for highs in a number of Piedmont locations. And then Saturday night into Sunday morning, there's the setup, high pressure right overhead. The winds might stay up a bit, so that's the one fly in the ointment, but I still think the winds will relax enough to allow lows to drop into the mid to upper 20s across the Piedmont. Going to be a cold start to Sunday, and then Sunday itself looking pretty good, but on the chilly side, highs still in the 50s despite a sunny sky. But by Monday, we're well up into the 60s for highs. Tuesday, up around 70 and probably up into the low 70s there by Wednesday. So a nice warm-up coming up for the middle part of next week. Tomas is a hurricane once again, and this is passing very close to western Haiti and eastern Cuba today, also impacting eastern Jamaica, and this will move through the eastern Bahamas and then out to sea in the Atlantic Ocean. All right, so that is it for this Friday edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Throw another log on the fire, stay warm, have a great weekend, and God bless.